To connect Sony WF-C710N into your iPhone, first of all, you will have to open the charging case. Be sure that both earbuds are inside, and right now you will have to rotate the case and click and hold this small button. So let me quickly show you how it works. You will have to click and hold it, then take a look on this small indicator that appears on the front, and when it blinks with the blue, it means that you can release this button, keep that case open, and now on your iPhone just go straight to the settings, open Bluetooth and turn it on, and then select your Sony earbuds from other devices list. When you are connected, you can also go into the App Store and download Sony Sound Connect application that will allow you to get all the features of this device. So you have to just download this application, agree to contents right here, select your region, click start, and then simply just follow the on-screen instructions. So in my case, I have to actually read the user license agreement. And yeah, that will be all. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.